Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here decline is given. You have alcohol and hydrogen in the transpiration and you have side methyl group. You reacting with phosphoric acid. You have to find what will be the final product. The reactant is with stereochemistry. You should be careful about that. Here the reaction is interesting because it involves basic facts. First step, you are using the acid. So what really happened? Acid makes OH as a good leaving group as a water. So water will be removed and you have the cation formation. Then the cation has to be quenched. How the cation will be quenching? Cation quench as the alkene there. There are the three possibilities. Which alkene will form? You have ABC hydrogen. Only C hydrogen removal leads to the Saytzeff elimination product, which is more substituted product. So the final product is alkene compound. Here the confusion of Wagner-Merwin rearrangement comes because cation involvement in the reaction, but there is no cation formation. There is no rearrangement because cation is already tertiary and there is no ring strand. And hydrogen stereochemistry don't have any effect in the reaction. Here the concept you outline here is E2 elimination. E2 elimination require antiperiplanar position. Hydrogen and OH are anti, so you have desired product. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.